Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can increase both your intelligence as well as your writing skills on Bloxburg. So you're going to need a computer for this or a laptop. Select it and select write book. Here when you go to your skills, as you can see I just started writing, so the writing as well as the intelligent skill will go up. I don't know actually if the intelligence one will go up, but now the writing skills will go up. And yeah, that is how you can increase your writing skills on Bloxburg. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!